Aquaba, welcome to Expat Life Ghana. I'm Tony, this is my wife Ayo. We're documenting our move from Texas to Ghana as we go beyond the return.
And in this video, we're about to find out what kind of Ghanaian you are.
Team Banku, Team Fufu, or Team Kenkey?
Woo! Let's get this video started. I feel like this is something you need to know before you land in Ghana.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to be out to eat and then bring something that you're not really ready for.
But that's part of the adventure of traveling, eating the local foods.
Okay, well, some of us are not as adventurous as others. I want to know what's in the stuff they're bringing me.
I don't want to know what's in the stuff they're bringing me. Not at all.
Okay then.
So, Team Banku, Team Fufu, or Team Kenkey?
Yes, if you ask anyone here in Ghana, they will have one of those three that they prefer. They will tell you that they love Banku and tilapia, or maybe they're all about the Kenkey and the pepe, or they might love the way that they themselves pound the fufu.
And what about you?
Well, when I smell fufu, I think of my dad, but he loved food, so he ate them all. But that smell, that fufu smell, makes me think of Pop.
So what are you?
Well, before we get into that, let's see what goes into each one of these Ghanaian staples.
Join the conversation. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think.
You actually went out.
I actually did. I went out.
Wow. Big deal, big deal.
I started with Miss Helen. There's a Kenkey lady in Community 8 here in Tema. She has been making Kenkey for 20 years. 20 years.
Kenkey is made from corn and a little salt, that's it. Or as they call it, maize here.
It's just because it's just corn, it has more of a blander, less powerful taste. And so it goes with everything. So I think that's like a universal.
Maize and a little bit of salt. So Kenkey is typically served with pepe and a dried fish because it's a little more mild in taste. It really pops with the spice from the pepe.
Next up, I was a stone's throw away from Hospital Road between Monte Carlo and Boss Wache.
Oh, I know where it is.
You know where that is?
Yeah.
There's a little place called Feel at Home Tilapia Joint, and they are making Banku and a super haul of tilapia.
Whoa, those are huge.
They're gigantic.
Yeah.
And they are seasoned to delight. They are delicious, I can tell you that. The owner hosts a packed dining hall daily with people who can't wait to eat Banku, which is a mixture of cassava, plantain, and corn.
Yeah, I passed by there. That place is always busy, and I would think it's like the early crowd for Monte Carlo. I'm like, it's just too early for Monte, but I guess now I know.
They are out there eating.
The place is always busy.
The plates, I mean, you just look at the plate and you're like, yep, I'll take two.
Really? I'd have to go check them out.
Yeah, so they're in the back, they're making the Banku, they're serving it out with the tilapia plates, and we were there at a kind of an odd time, like in between lunch and dinner. Still
it's
back.
Still busy, yeah.
Still busy.
I know the place. I just never realized it was a restaurant. I always thought it was like an overflow from Monte Carlo.
And they've been there making that for a while. It's good. It's good.
Hi, I'm Leo. Subscribe right now.
The last place I went to was to actually see them in action pounding fufu in this gigantic container. It was crazy.
Fufu is made of unripe plantain and cassava that's pounded together.
Listen, the man was crunching all loud when he was pounding like Wimbledon finals out there. It was so loud that I said, you know what? I want to take a try. Let me try.
What happened?
He let me try. And that's all I did. I just tried. I couldn't even pick the pestle up. I couldn't even get it out. I couldn't lift it. I couldn't even wait. I couldn't lift it. It weighed a bajillion pounds. You're gonna let me try one?
Let's try one.
Just one try.
Okay.
I want to see how heavy this thing
Have
is.
it.
Ayo, do you want your face?
Sure. I can't even lift it.
Wow.
I'm not even. Oh my God! How do you even get it up off there? It's ridiculous. There's no way.
Wow.
7 hours.
The pizza is heavy.
I can't lift it out of the thing. I just tried. And I can't even get it out. And you do that for 7 hours.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for your service. Wow. Kenkey,
Let me try.
you can lift it.
This is heavy. Woo.
I can't even get it out. Can you get it? You can get it out.
We are about to move it.
No. This one will break your waist.
You can't even get it out.
It's heavy.
No, this thing is very simple. No.
Wow.
That is some intense work.
Yes, you need to be the person sitting that's adding the water and turning the food. You know, the people, they flip it when they pound it, boom, and they flip it and they pound it.
Why?
You need to be the flipper.
So I can lose a finger. I'd be worried
Them
about
people
them.
quick.
I know. I worry about them people turning it. That's dangerous.
Yes.
Like. Has he ever hit her fingers?
I have a ball.
Debbie.
She said no.
Yeah.
No, never. Side of this.
I see then it will fufu nim.
Banku and a brother.
Cassava and plantain.
So cassava plantain, that's it. No salt, no seasoning, nothing else.
Salt now.
Salt is part.
Salt is
Yeah,
not.
yeah.
So do you cook the cassava and the plantain before it goes in here? You boil it or you roast it?
Also, nyana.
Yeah, no.
Boil it.
You boil it.
So how was the food?
Oh, I sat down with some friends to eat after we were done with the Fufu folks, and it was good. We tried to get a little bit of everything, so we tried not to order any of the same things so we could have a variety, and it was delicious. Dried fish, light soup, okra
wow.
stew, peanut stew, banku, fufu.
It's not lunchtime yet.
I took away from everywhere so that I could take some footage of the food for this video back at the house.
Oh,
So once I got home, I rounded up the boys. Sorry, you missed out.
yeah. Why?
You were working. Okay, so we have rice ball, peanut stew with chicken. We've got banku. We've got palm nut stew with fish. We've got light soup. We've got fufu. And we've got kenkey with dried fish and pepe. So who's gonna eat all of this? Okay, so here's the question. If you come to Ghana, what kind of person are you? Are you Banku? Are you Kenkey? Are you Fufu? Are you rice balls? So this one is made from ground corn. The ground corn is the only ingredient other than salt. This one is made from cassava and plantain ground together. So when they pound the fufu, you get this one. And you can see it's got a different kind of consistency. Can you see that, I hope? Right? It's much different than this one. Much different. So then the Banku is down here. The Banku, again, very different consistency than the other two, I think. And this one is made with
corn
and plantain. Right. So corn and plantain go into this one. And then, which one?
Corn dough, cassava dough.
Oh, corn, cassava, and plantain.
Yes.
So the Banku has corn, cassava, and plantain. And then the rice ball is just rice. So if all else fails and you're not sure, do the rice. I routed the boys to get them to try all three and see which one they liked best.
It's been a while since they've tried some, so it was good for them to try. After Luke decided he was Team Kenkey.
Luke is Team Kenkey. He said it was blander, so with the stew, it just lets you enjoy the stew flavors. And that's actually what he said. He said, with the stew, it lets you enjoy the stew flavors. And I was like,
interesting.
Okay, I have to agree, because I think I, too, am Team Kenkey. What team are you?
I'm team whatever you're cooking, just as long as I get the invitation to the table. Invite a brother.
All right. Well, so it was so fun to get out to these three places. I know I don't get out and about quite as much, but I enjoyed myself, so thank you.
Good. So you get out more and have more enjoyment.
There you go. So there you have it. Let us know in the comments if you are Team Kenkey, Team Banku, or Team Fufu.
After you watch this video, your belly is grumbling and rumbling. Check out the three places we filmed it at. Their information is in the description box below.
Yes, and I can tell you right now, you can eat at all three of these places and be happy as punch. If you are planning your return, join our closed Facebook group so you can connect with folks just like you.
And if you're planning your first trip to Ghana, check out what we have to offer on our website at expatlifeghana.com, including full-service tours, airport pickups and drop-offs, and day trips to see the best of Ghana.
Plus, we now offer accommodations at our B&B. Check out the rooms and full-service options online at expatlifeghana.com.
Hit that like button, and if you're still here with us, subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the little notification bell so that you can join us for our monthly live videos here on YouTube the last Friday of every month.
And with that, Charlie out for now.
Okay, we're gonna have to do something about this heat.
This.
Look at my face.
Yeah, you're glistening.
Look
again.
at my face.
You're glistening again.
I'm glistening.
We're just gonna have to risk it. Turn the AC on now.
We only got like 2 more to go, right?
Yeah.
Yo, I ate so much that day that we went and did this. I came home and I was like, I had to lie down. But it was good.
No, it sounds good. More of that fish. My forehead got wave.
You are on a bench here. Can I feel like it? Tell me about it. Life is like a box of chocolates.
I knew you was gonna die like no. She'll do it for me. Okay, I'm reloaded.
Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Aquaba.
Oh, I totally looked away just for that 1 second. Sorry. Go ahead.
Aquaba. I wasn't even looking. I was looking at something else. Okay, back to normal.